First unscrew the blue cap at the oil filling port, and then fill the lubrication pump with lubricating oil. The amount of oil added is to the center line of the automatic centralized lubrication oil pump. First, find the oil tank. The oil tank is located under the electrical cabinet. Then open the oil tank cap and fill oil directly into it. When filling the lubricating oil, pay attention to the oil tank scale. It should be filled to the middle position of the scale. Don't forget to put the oil tank cover back on at the end. Step 1. Find the position of the upper cover of the saddle, and then disassemble the upper cover. The position exposed after the cover is removed is the oil filling port of the apron. Step 2. Add lubricating oil. Step 3. When filling the oil, pay attention to the oil filling observation window under the apron. The oil filling amount should be lower than the red dot in the center of the observation window. Step 4. Reinstall the upper cover. 3. Secure with screws. At this point, the oiling of all parts has been completed.